Let's go ahead and taste it.
Nice things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself and like your style win. Nice things, nice things, nice things.
So today we are making some spicy garlic butter shrimp. You want to see how to make this full recipe? Then keep on watching. Here I have my shrimp seasoned. I have the tail on still. Sometimes I like to keep the tail on, sometimes I like it off. In this instance, I'm making it with the tails on, like you can see. So to season the shrimp, I used 4 seasonings. Garlic salt with parsley, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, of course, and some Old Bay seasoning. The other 2 ingredients that you're gonna need are some butter, and then right here I have some garlic with extra virgin olive oil. Here I have my skillet getting heated over medium heat. Now I'm about to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is completely melted down, I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Just gonna allow the garlic to saute for a bit. As you can see, the garlic is getting a little bit charred, which is what I want. Now I'm about to add in the shrimp. Once the shrimp are added in, we're just going to combine it with the garlic. So shrimp doesn't take a long time to get done, so I'm going to allow it to just cook on one side for about 1 minute, and then we're going to come back and flip it over to the other side. Okay, so the shrimp has been cooking for a minute. Now I'm about to just turn them over into the other side to get done for another minute. So for a little added spice, I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. This is completely optional, but I just love it to be spicy, so I'm adding this in. Just add some in all over, and then just combine everything. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for 30 seconds, and then we are all done. So here we have the finished spicy garlic butter shrimp. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh, this spicy flavor. So good.